Hak review meeting Commission mentang dalam jom Chief Minister pada kurang jom hak wedai nak lihat jom ka health department pada government di Barakawai ngilai sim katu kan itali kirai hak wedai but restriction kibegitu baru si kata hak state jogi Barakawai berkata kalau kumni halu kabenun ko ki sports activities baru kiba baru sekata gimsya sports activities baru kiba baru sekata gimsya namar kabegisya mansua kadai tangi ya tituki non physical contact sports activities dan rei menna nisim ya karai hapo ka review meeting ba nadu kasing kong nadu kasing kong shajro ya kidig sports activities ngin siya nantai ki cinema hall ngin siya ban play tang baka capacity kan long 1/3 na ka seating capacity itu kibingong ki jackpot parlors ngin siya nang ta susu kini ki public parks kum ka nan bolok kum ka tuka kaneka Lady Hyderabad kabateng teng don ki bekwa belejai kai ki rumen ki samla ki ramba kum kateka lesi kateka elephant fall kabateng teng ki kwa ban yale kai ban pengap te yakiniru nadu kasing nengkong ngin siya tambah kan don ka SOP kabatikna kabaga sorgar kan penkret minta kasilan lasai kin ai ke notification bat kum juru ki deputy commissioner skin salet ya kabadon kam hakini bijaka ki bangi ngin siya kalau ya itu ki khat khas nem syedrom bat kibala ai ya ka injection lani katika ka bagi ka vaccination sakawe ka mai ka misim menna ka jamit kalong ba ya ka private transport namar baro sikata gimsya like no tak itu kiba siok ya ka karpas lengba ki deputy commissioner nadu lasgin ko ginsya batin yang 1/3 na kejing don yo gitu kali bat ya kani sa penbit penbiang da ki deputy commissioners hala ki jom ki jaga hala ki jom ki district kini kidai ki rai ki municip hakane ka review meeting menta ka jengit if you today evening, again, we have a review meeting under the chairmanship of our Honorable Chief Minister. The review meeting was specifically meant for the COVID-19 and also the related notification issued by the government from time to time, including the SOPs. Few decisions again were taken this evening for opening up of different activities throughout the state. Number one, as you all know, close contact physical sports activities was not allowed till today. So in the review meeting today evening, we decided that all sports activities will start reopening up from next week, meaning from Monday onwards. Number two, cinema hall will also again start reopening up with 1/3 capacity from Monday onwards. The jackpot parlors, public park like Lady Hyderabad Park, Watts Lake, like Elephant's Fall, this will also be allowed to open from Monday onwards. However, I would like to mention here very, very clearly, these activities will be strictly subjected to the SOPs which is to be issued by the government along with the respective deputy commissioners. If not today, maybe tomorrow. And the important SOP will be only 18 years plus, 18 years plus, and not only 18 years plus, those people who already vaccinated. Then the next decision we taken, again from Monday onwards, private transport will be allowed with 1/3 capacity, 1/3 capacity throughout the state. Private transport will be allowed with 1/3 capacity, means the numbers of vehicle which needs to ply on the route, it should be 1/3. And again, this notification, detailed notification will be issued by the respective deputy commissioners.